Lahore. During rain, a young woman was running with her dupatta over her head and bumping into a boy holding books. Books scatter in the water. Both bend down at the same time. Their hands touch accidentally. Girl annoyed but shy. Look, because of you, my clothes are soaked. Boy smiling calmly. And because of you, my notes are ruined. Fair trade, isn't it? Girl is still shocked. She was Hira, a literature student, dreaming of writing stories bigger than herself. He was Saad, a young musician carrying melodies heavier than his heart. At cafeteria of Punjab University, Hira and Saad sitting together. Saad teasing. You read Golib for answers. I composed songs for questions. Maybe we're both lost? Hira says, laughs softly. Lost people don't meet by accident. Maybe the rain wanted us to sit together. And so, in the heart of Lahore's youth, began a story of laughter, poetry, and stolen glances. Lahore Canal decorated with fairy lights during Basant festival. Youth is celebrating. Saad playing guitar softly, singing a tune just for her. Some words don't need language, they just need a heartbeat. Hira watches silently, her eyes shining but lips sealed. Between them was a bond the world could see, but neither dared to name. Because in Lahore's alleys, love is poetry, but also a scandal. Hira's house is at traditional Haveli-style home in Andron, Lahore. Her strict father overhears her talking on the phone. Father says angrily, books are fine, but music, friendship with a boy? Hira, don't forget who you are. Hira lowers her head, tears in her eyes. Saad is sitting alone on his rooftop, strumming guitar in silence in the clash of tradition and dreams. Hearts bleed first. At Minery, Pakistan, Hira and Saad meet secretly. Hira crying softly. Saad, maybe we should stop. My family will never allow this. They will destroy you. And me? Saad, desperate, holding her hand. Then let's run. Lahore is wide, Pakistan is big. We can write our own story. Hira shaking her head, whispering, our story will drown before it begins. Just like that rain, when we met, both walk away in opposite directions. Slow motion, rain starts to fall again. Saad is performing at a youth festival in Alhambra Arts Council. His last performance. Crowd is cheering. Hira eyes secretly watching from the back. Saad singing with pain. If love is forbidden, then let me die singing it. That night, his voice was louder than the city. But his heart was quieter than death. After the show, Saad leaves on his motorcycle in heavy rain. A sudden truck accident. Lights, screeching tires, then silence. Hira received the news, dropped her pen, pages of her diary scattered across the floor. She wanted to write stories about love, but her own story was now written in blood and tears. Hira visited his grave, placing his broken guitar strings on the soil. Hira whispering, you were the rain, Saad. You came, you poured, and you left, leaving me soaked forever. Few years later, Hira as a published author, book title, Beneath the Lahore Rain. She stands at a book launch. Time passed, but she kept him alive, not in her arms, but in her words. The boy with music, became a legend of pages. In the crowd, a boy plays guitar softly. His song carries Saad's tune. Some stories never end with marriage. Some stories never end with happily ever after. Some stories end in rain, and that rain never dries beneath the Lahore rain. A story of love, loss, and memory.